Hello everyone. This is in continuation to our topic logarithms. The next question is to simplify logarithm of sixth root of 729 times cube root of 9 inverse multiplied by 27 to the power of 4 by 3. Let us write this as logarithm of, since it is a sixth root, I will first write down root of 729, and this is cube root, so 9 inverse, then 27, 4 by 3. Since this is a cube root, I will write to the power of 1 by 3. I mean, this expression inside this inner square root, I wrote the same numbers and then power is 1 by 3. And I will also remove this brackets outside. Yeah. And I will write that as cube root, since it is sixth root, right? So I will write this as 1 by 6. Now let us factorize 729. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 3 3s are 3, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. That means I can rewrite this as, instead of 729, I can write it as 3 power 6. Yeah. Now I will write this 9 inverse as 3 square to the power of minus 1. 27, I will write it as 3 cube to the power of 4 by 3. This whole thing to the power of 1 by 3. And this whole thing to the power of 1 by 6. Now 3 power 6. Okay. And then this I can write it as 3 power minus 2, and this 3 gets cancelled with this. This is 3 power 4. This is to the power of 1 by 3. And then this whole thing to the power of 1 by 6. Now I can write it as 3 power 6 to the power of 1 by 6. And inside this one is 3 power minus 2, 3 power 4 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 1 by 6. So this 6 goes with this. We get log of 3. And now in this becomes 6 3s are 18. So 3 power minus 2, 3 power 4 to the power of 1 by 18, which is log 3. 3 power minus 1 by 9. This is 3 power 2 and 9. So 2 by 9. Again, this is log 3. 3 means 3 power 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 9. So 3 power 1 by 9. That will get added 3 power 1 plus 1 by 9, which is log of 3 to the power of 10 by 9, which can be written as 10 by 9 times logarithm of 3. That's the solution for this. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.